Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains a basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm dots and mass method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers 21, 52, 51 and 30. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. According to the word mass and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve uh, these type of expression using PAMDAS and word mass rule. Then the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent or power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to see division and multiplication. You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Step number 4 is you have to see addition and subtraction. So you have to go left to right in your expression and find out addition and subtraction. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve all brackets. So here we have to solve this part first. Now we will write 4 as it is, and here first of all we have to see, like in our bracket we have the expression which is contains the plus, multiplication and division. So first of all we have to decide which part we will solve first. So in this expression we will go left to right inside the bracket and find out first division and multiplication, because we do not have any bracket inside the bracket and also we do not have any exponent power. So what we will do, first of all, we have to solve division and multiplication, and first we have, if we will go left to right, so we have first multiplication. So first of all, we will solve this multiplication. 4 3 the 18 and divided by 2 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 6 multiplied by 3 equals to 18. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and find out division and multiplication. So now we have this division. We will solve this one. 4 plus and 18 divided by 2 equals to 9. If we divide 18 divided by 2 equals to 9. And here we will give the reference 18 divided by 2 equals to 9. Now move forward. We will solve this bracket, which is we have two terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them. 4 plus 9 equals to 30. And we will multiply these two terms. So now 4 plus 9 equals to 30. Okay, now we have two terms which are multiplying each other. Actually, 4 was multiplying with this bracket. So here we write the 4 multiplied by 30. And we will get the answer is 13 1 the 13, 13 2 the 26, 13 3 the 39, and 13 4 the 52. So now we get the answer is 52. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So this is the way to solve any arithmetic expression in PAMDAS and BODMAS method. You can follow any rule and you can get the same answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.